Assalamu alaikum everybody. In this video, I will describe a pen. So it looks very simple. It is just a pen. But it's not that much simple because we see in this world that people, they make $1 million deal just by signing a pen. So the importance of pen in our life is great. It's massive. Now, just let's talk about the uses of pen. We know it, right? Everybody in this country, Bangladesh, and also around the whole world, people use pen every single second and minute in this world. Although we have a lot of digital devices like mobile phone, computer, and some other devices, right, to write down things. We make soft copies in those devices, but still, we cannot avoid pen. We need to write on paper because it helps us a lot, okay, to improve our work capacity. So let's talk about this pen actually. It's a pen which comes with just 20 taka in Bangladesh. I got it in a super shop, by the way. And the best feature of this pen that I can press like this, okay? When I press it, then we get a pin from this side. And when I press it twice, like again, then it goes inside. Actually, it hides from here, and you can easily keep it in your pocket. And there is you don't need to worry about the pin because it's inside right now, so you are safe. And then this pen has three different layers. Like first, this one, it looks steel, but I'm not sure. I don't think that it is steel. Maybe a plastic, but the color, it looks like steel. And this part, it has a grip so that we can grab it tight, right, when we write something on paper. And this part made of full plastic, it's white. And this is a label actually on the pen. It's a barcode. This is actually called barcode. You can scan it with your phone. And yeah, this part is plastic, total black. This type of pen is available in any departmental store. You can get it from any shop. So I just bought it to do this. I think it's quite fun, right? And also it helps you to relieve your anxiety sometimes. So if you have workload or pressure, then you can definitely use this pen to do this. It's quite funny, interesting. Anyways, so this is the way how we actually can talk about pen. I have few others. Yeah, some other pens I do have. But for today, for this video, I'm just showing you this one. And my message to you is that if you want to improve your English, if you genuinely want to improve your English, then grab something like this and talk about it. So this is a series of videos where I will be describing different things to you. So already I have posted about an adopter, how to talk about that. So this is the way how we will improve our English together. So please stay connected with this page. And I don't often say to follow me, but if you found this video interesting, helps you a bit, then you can do follow, right? You can follow me so that you can get videos like this, which would actually improve your English. So I'll see you in another video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.